here for the wings? Indoor or outdoor cooking? Check out our channel. We got you. Oh yeah, he smelled that. Let's head to the kitchen.
As you can see, we have this bowl in the sink for our washed chicken wings. We know, super controversial to wash the chicken, but y'all don't understand. Lately, maybe due to staff shortage or something, our chicken's been a bit on the hairy side, so this is actually pretty critical nowadays. Tell us how y'all feel about the subject. We cannot wait to hear from y'all. And if you want more tips, tricks, and meal ideas for in the kitchen and outdoors, check out our channel and subscribe. Grow with us and never run out of inspiration as we upload weekly. Now back to these chicken wings. We washed about 2/3 of the entire bag, and although most of them have been clean, we do have a culprit that spotlights our hairy complaints.
Red alert, hairy complaints department. See folks, this is why we inspect our chicken. See that piece of hair embedded right there? We're going to pull that out. So Tay's going to grab it firmly, pull from the skin like you would on your own face, and just pluck that thing right on out of there. Go ahead and give it a little rub, rinse this off, get that out of there. You don't want to be eating that.
And that's exactly why we wash our chicken. But we also thoroughly clean our kitchen too, including sinks and surrounding areas. Anywho, here we have our plastic tray, as it's time to get these chicken wings onto an area where we can pat them dry with some paper towel. The clean wings, which we'll lay down in a single layer, grab some more paper towel, and just pat them dry until they no longer feel damp.
While Tay is drying, let's grab a resealable freezer bag so we can toss our wings and get them ready to marinate. This also helps with easy cleanup. Next, we'll grab 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Also, pour in a 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Say that 5 times fast. Then let's add in our main ingredient. This stuff is strong, so you don't need much. Add 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. Last is our seasonings. We have 1 teaspoon Dash grilling blend, 1/2 teaspoon chicken or poultry seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon parsley flakes, and 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. Go ahead and seal up the bag, leave some air in there, and give it a good toss around so all of your flavors make a nice coating on each wing.
Marinade not only helps flavor your meat, but tenderizes it too. Remove all the air from the bag, fill it up, and marinate for at least half an hour up to overnight. Now let's toss the beef outside at the grill.
We're outside, grill smoking folks. Make sure your top vent is open to build up even more heat. To see how to make a simple fire, check out our charcoal grilling tips video. Here's our marinated chicken prepped inside. Now I know, I poured it out all on the grill, and I know there will be some people in the comment section that'll say, "You shouldn't pour it out like that, you're gonna get juice and put your fire out." But when you have an amazing fire like this, it doesn't matter. Again, check out our charcoal grilling tips video. You can see how to make a great fire like this that never goes out, and you don't need any lighter fluid. And we're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes total, so it'll be 8, 8, 8, and 6. We did our first 8. We'll go ahead and open the grill up. Let's flip these over. As you can see, they're getting nice and crispy on the side, so let's flip them over so they can cook on the other side. And the main thing here, cooks, is rotating your chicken. You don't want it all sitting in one hot spot and start to burn, so every time you open your grill, go ahead and do a flip. Here's some of our special grill mix. Check it out in the comments. It'll help tenderize and keep your meat from drying out while intensifying the flavor. We're back. Let's go ahead and open that grill up. As you can see, they're getting halfway there. This is our other 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip these over one more time. We'll speed the video up as we're just flipping. We'll have 1 or 2 more times to go. And this will all be determined on how big your chicken wings are. These are pretty big, so that's why we did them for 30 minutes. Don't get me wrong, if you have smaller ones, they may cook even faster. Let's go ahead and hear some of that sizzle. I'm sorry folks, we don't have smell-o-vision on this one. This will be our last round of 8, cooking for 8 minutes. We'll go ahead and flip these one last time, and then we'll put them on for 6 minutes, and then they're done and ready to go. And these are a quick and easy treat. You can cook these on game day for the family, or just a quick barbecue at night or in the evening. Don't forget that sauce. Make sure you put this on there just to keep your wings from drying out.
Delicious.
You got that right. Delicious they are. Look at that smoky golden brown color. These are perfect. Well done, but not dried out. A little bit of crisp to them, but just enough juicy meat. I can't wait to dig into these. This is our last 6 minutes. We'll go ahead and pull these off. And you can take these in the house and eat them plain or dip them in sauce, however you want. As this is a quick and easy recipe, anyone can make this, and look how delicious those look in the pan. Can't wait to hear that crunch soon as you bite into one.
However you choose to devour your wings, we just hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to check out our channel and website for way more. And as always, thanks for grilling with BNT.